First of all, thank you very much, IPF, for giving me this opportunity to on this your channel. Thank you very much, and I wish entire IPF and their family very wonderful Diwali festival. Uh, Myself, I am Satish Godase. I am on board of a company called Conair Private Limited as a director. Uh, I take care of engineering, quality, marketing, and product development in this company. Conair Private Limited is a joint venture between Newview Engineers and Conair Group USA. Uh, we started this operations in 2007, and currently we are one of the leaders in manufacturing of plastic processing systems or auxiliary equipments for plastic industry. Uh, we have a state-of-art manufacturing facility at Ahmedabad, consists of 150,000 square feet of an area where we do our in-house fabrication in a modern facility and assembly of all our products. Uh, the product we manufacture are a storage system for a polymer, conveying systems for polymer, drying systems, blending systems, mold temperature controllers, chillers, then crystallizers, belt conveyors, and granulators. The equipments we manufacture are used by plastic processors in various application and industries such as automotive, agriculture, PET preform manufacturing, housewares, wire and cables, then film and sheet manufacturing, packaging, medical and pharma application, building and construction, fiber and textiles, and white goods. Our chiller are also used in other than plastic industry applications such as laser cutting machines, lab-grown diamond industry, chemical and machine tool industry. So these are our product range and our applications and the industry we serve. We have a pan-India presence, and we have a team of sales and service engineers. They are located all across India where there is a plastic processors having their facility. Other than India, we also export our equipment to Middle East, Africa, and the SAARC countries. So this is brief about the company and what we do here. Thank you.
So moving to the next question, how do you see that your company being benefited with the collaboration with the US-based Conair Group?
Okay. Uh, Everybody knows Conair because Conair is one of the oldest plastic processing manufacturing company, rather plastic processing equipment manufacturing company. They started their operation in 1956 in Pennsylvania in US. They are the first one who started vacuum conveying of polymers. And over the year, they have added so many products in their portfolio, uh, starting from conveying, then blending, drying, chillers, mold temperature controllers, granulators, storage systems, even robotics. So they have a wide range of products in their portfolio. Uh, they are the currently a leader in this industry, having many patented products. Conair also strongly believes in innovation and always looking to develop a new technology, introduce a new technology, which will help our processors and the customers. Over the years, Conair has introduced many innovation in the market, and that help the plastic processors. Being a global leader, any technology which is developed in USA is immediately made available to other part of the globe because Conair has a global operations. So we get access to the new technology and very fast, and because of a local manufacturing, we able to deliver advanced product at affordable price to our Indian customers. Also, we do work on a lot of collaborative projects. Like we have engineers here in India. They work with Conair global engineering team, and sometimes we do joint work on any new product. And because of this activity, it is very easy for us to share technology or get access to the new technology which Conair has developed or they are in developing process. So getting a new product and putting that into a market is very easy, and that is a huge benefit we have being a joint venture company with Conair.
Looking at the India as a region, could you tell us about how is Indian market when it comes to plastic auxiliary equipment, and also which industries are driving demand particularly?
Uh, Plastic industry overall, it took a hit last year actually because of the issues with the single-use plastics, also coupled with the slowdown in automobile industry last year. Uh, Even first couple of months of this financial year has been a tough for us because of COVID pandemic. But later on, we have seen that there is a business is going upwards. In fact, we are busy and fully booked. There is a lot of products, a lot of orders, and a lot of projects we are currently doing. The reason being, people have realized how fantastic material plastic is and how that is helping, to stop or prevent spread of the virus. So a lot of plastic is currently being used in packaging, in medical, mask, PPE kits. So these are the current drivers for plastic industry, medical and packaging, uh, and they are driving our growth, coupled with agriculture as well as food packaging. But overall, I see the plastic will definitely grow because still we are far behind the other countries in terms of plastic consumption per person per year. So I see there is a lot of growth coming in.
So, talking about your business, what exactly do you bring when it comes to offering your customers? So, could you explain that about?
Yeah. As I mentioned earlier, we are in JV with Conair Group USA, and Conair is a very old company. Currently, they are a leader and having many patented products. So therefore, we are capable in building a product for any demanding application because of rich application expertise we have. So I believe in building a product or manufacturing product is one thing, but putting that in a proper application is another thing. And we have a very rich application experience. Whenever customers choose our product, we guarantee one is technologically advanced product at affordable price, and we deliver that in the shortest possible time. Many of our product has a lead time of 4 to 6 weeks, and some of the products we just can ship within a week time. uh, we also guarantee a minimum downtime of our machine to the customer. So if any of our customer running their plant 24 by 7, so that is always helpful. Uh, all our products are built with the very reliable and proven components. We source our components from well-known industry leaders like Siemens, Rockwell, Danfoss, Grundfos, B&R. So this help us uh, in this help us in reliability as well as very less failure ratio. So our equipments are very reliable. So our technology with proven components. As I said earlier, we have a vast application knowledge. Our team understand the customer requirement, and we able to customize our products to their need in fastest possible time. We also have a pan-India presence. We have service engineers and sales engineers located across the cities in India. So that gives a kind of a comfortable to our customer, and we ensure that our equipment runs 24 by 7 and without any failure. And that is what the processors need. All our equipments are manufactured in state-of-art advanced manufacturing facility. So this helps us in maintaining quality as well as delivering product in shortest possible time, because any sheet metal fabrications, we are not depend on the vendors, but we do it ourselves. So these are the few advantage that our customers can get from us when they buy our equipment.
So talking about the demand trends of your products and services, how was your second quarter, that is between July to September, and as compared to the quarter one, that is April to June? So could you differentiate any changes that you have noticed, and how do you see the upcoming time? Like what, how do you see the performance of products and your products and services in the time to come?
Yeah. Uh, Quarter one of this year was totally, as every company have faced very tough time. The April and May was totally down. We started our operation somewhere in mid-May, but not on a full strength. We had a lot of hurdles in getting parts, getting people to the factory. So first quarter was totally, you can say, kind of a washed out with very less revenue. But second quarter, the demand has picked up so fast, and now if you compare last previous year business during the same period and this year, uh, we are really running against time kind of things, and business also picked up, demand is picked up. There's a lot of demand for the plastic auxiliary equipment, and our July, August, September, and October months were really, really great. And we could achieve our half yearly plans that we did initially, and that we did in only 4 months. In spite of having 2 months of wash down, we did that half yearly plan achieved in just 4 months. So that is really great. And for this current year, I'm very optimistic. The business will continue to grow. Other than packaging and medical, these are two driving our business. I also foresee that business in PET bottle or PET water segment will grow, so as food packaging, because once this pandemic is over and the travel restrictions are lifted, people will start traveling across the globe, and that will generate more demand for food packaging and mineral water segment. So that will also drive the growth. So overall, I see this year will be maybe better than the last year. So that's my optimism, or you can say that is my prediction.
So, looking at the recent government initiatives that they have decided to cut down on imports from China. So, what do you think? Will it benefit plastic auxiliary equipment industry in India?
Yes, uh, it will definitely benefit plastic industry or plastic machinery manufactured overall, not only auxiliary industry. It will definitely benefit because the restriction, we are seeing the fewer imports from the China, fewer low cost imports from the China. So that is the Indian industry is trying to fulfill that gap, and so that will, this is the first thing you can say will benefit. Secondly, there is a restriction on imports, not only a machinery, but there is also restriction on import of plastic processing goods, that's the finished goods, like toys, films, white goods. So this also help the plastic processors or this product manufacturer to go for expansion, and that expansion will also demand a lot of machineries, and that will drive our business. So in fact, we are gearing up for all those demands. So these are the two-way cutting down imports from China or other country will help India or will help plastic processing industries. As our Prime Minister says, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we are also putting our foot forwards to this, and we are also gearing up to meet this demand.
Talking about plastic industry as a whole or plastic processors as a whole, what are key challenges that they face, and how is your company helping them to overcome those challenges? Could you
Okay.
list out some examples?
Yes, I will give you some example. The challenges the plastic processor face in terms of machinery and other things. Uh, One of the challenge for all plastic processors is cost control or the cost optimization. With the R auxiliary, they can save on the labor. As I mentioned earlier, we guarantee uptime of their machine, so they can run their machine 24 by 7. This helps them to keep the cost down by taking full advantage of running their machine 24/7. Quality of the end product, by going through us, all our products are technically or technologically very advanced product. Uh, so with this, we can offer them a solution uh, by which they can meet the desired end product quality. Uh, Third thing is most of our products are energy efficient because use advanced technologies. We use energy efficient motors. So this help our customer to save on their energy bill. Another biggest advantage to our we are offering to our processor is because of our vast application knowledge. Uh, we can manufacture or we can customize a product which can meet our customer requirement or which can meet their demand, so they can get the right and efficient product for their need. So these are the few advantage we offer on the table to our plastic processors. Plus they get a branded product because Conair has a very good brand name worldwide. Branded product at affordable cost in India because of local manufacturing.
Now, looking at the current industry, there is a lot of room for automation growing up when it comes to equipment. So, have you also seen that the demand for automation in the industry is picking up, especially after COVID-19?
Yes, it is. See, most of our auxiliary equipments uh, are a kind of a automation. They make our processors work uh, kind of, they can run their plant without a labor. It's a kind of automation only because when you are conveying a product through a system, you don't need a labor. So demand for automation has really increased after COVID-19. The first thing is the labor migration issue that entire country has faced. So people have started procuring or started doing a lot of automation in the plant. So that's one thing demand has picked up in automation side. Secondly, there are a lot of products now in medical and packaging that needs to be manufactured with minimum or less human intervention. So that is also driving automation. So after COVID, yes, there is a jump in automation and there is a jump in these kind of products. And most of our products, they kind of go into that category.
So, looking at Industry 4.0 and the connected kind of industry infrastructure today, how are you preparing for Industry 4.0?
For Industry 4.0, as I said, the innovation is one of the core mantra of Conair Group. So most of our product currently they are Industry 4 ready. And Conair started thinking or developing about this product much before any of us, any of our competitors started doing. So it's not very difficult for us. Most of our products are ready, and we have access to that technology. And whenever there is a demand, I'm sure we can meet our customer demand with respect to Industry 4.0. We are not doing that. We already did a couple of projects on that line, and it's not difficult for us. We are fully ready, or you can say we are fully prepared.
So could you also list out some emerging trends in the equipment side in the industry, like plastic auxiliary equipment?
Yes. The few of the trends that we are seeing currently now is one is Industry 4.0. So a lot of our equipments are customers are trying to get more data out of their machines, and with this data, they are making a very informed decision about their business. So that is one of the trend. Another trend we are seeing is last couple of years, the plastic consumption in India is going up. So that is demanding high throughput machines. So for high throughput machines, you need a larger storage system that we are offering, like a silos, big storage and surge bin. Also, you need higher capacity conveying systems, higher capacity drying systems, as well as blending system. So there is a demand for higher capacity auxiliary equipments. Another trend is we are seeing is blending and dosing with yield control. So yield control means we may accurately measure and control amount of polymer going through your extruder or a molding machine, because whatever you set the throughput, our system deliver exactly that much amount of material to your extruder. So any granule saves is adding to the customer bottom line. And last few years, we are seeing growth for our extrusion process control equipments, that's yield control equipment and granumetric blenders. Another area where we are seeing growing trend is high capacity chillers coupled with variable frequency driven compressors and ozone free refrigerant. So these are the few product range where we are seeing the trend, or you can say the industry is going towards that line, that higher capacity machine, ozone friendly refrigerant, Industry 4.0 ready.
So could you also tell us about the growth plans that you have already taken up, and or there must be some targets set for the upcoming year in your agenda?
Yes, actually we had our expansion uh, completed last year only, where we installed a state-of-art in-house fabrication facility, wherein we installed a laser cutting machine, which is from imported from USA. Uh, we had a CNC, we have a CNC press brake, we have a CNC rolling machines, we have automatic welding machines for our hoppers and beans, as well as a paint shop. So it's an ultra modern facility, started operation last year. Uh, Considering the demands we are seeing this year, we do have a growth plans. We plan to add a few more products under our portfolio that will help our customers. And we are also looking to for another expansion, because currently the space what we have is kind of getting on the maximum side. So we may or we are planning for investment in additional land and additional greenfield facility. If this trend continues, then definitely by next year we will be having another uh, plant. Currently, we have two plants exactly opposite of each other. So we may have another plant in the same industrial park to cater growing demand.
Okay, so that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for your time and patiently waiting till we started with this conversation.
It's
So
my
yes,
pleasure.
hoping to
Thank
see you ahead. Hoping to see you again with us. And yeah, stay safe.
Yeah. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank
Thanks for the opportunity. It's my pleasure, and I wish you all the best and wish you all a happy Diwali.
you too, sir.
Thank you.